How to remove your Askfm on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove your Askfm on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and now click first let's go back, and first thing just click on your profile here, and then go down and you will find edit profile. Click on it and then just go down and you will find links here and click edit, and then just go to your Askfm account and click remove and save it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.